Hello all, good morning and thanks for joining. I really appreciate that many of you are joining in the morning time from US and evening time from India. Uh, it's a quick introduction about this purpose of this call is to register our protest in condemning the RSS BJP government for making all illegal arrests and also to demand the release of Dr. Anand Teltumde and 10 others who are falsely charged on the fabricated cases. Since it is a COVID time where the physical mobilization is not possible, that we have made this arrangement to register our voice. And this call is jointly organized by several organizations from America, namely the Ambedkar King Study Circle, Ambedkar International Center, Coalition of Seattle Indian Americans, India Civil Watch International, Periyar Ambedkar Study Circle, Ambedkar Buddhist Association of Texas, the Behambura Cultural Society of New York, Sri Guru Ravidas Sabha of New York, Organizations for Minorities of India, Ambedkar Mission, Toronto, Canada, Ambedkarite International Coordination Society, and Political Action Platform for Tamils. Thank you all the co-sponsor and co-organizers.
जय भीम। मैं रमा आनंद तेलतुंबड़े आप सभी का धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ। आपने आनंद जी को जो सपोर्ट और एकता का दिखाई है उसके लिए मैं आपके आभारी हूँ। हम पिछले 2 साल से इस संकट झेल रहे हैं। हमें उम्मीद थी कि हमें बेल मिल जाएगी, लेकिन जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बेल रिजेक्ट कर दी तब हम तहस महस हो गए। हमें बहुत बुरा लगा और आनंद जी को 14 अप्रैल को एनआईए के ऑफिस में सरेंडर होना पड़ा। हम यह मानते हैं कि हमारे पे जो आरोप लगे हैं वो झूठे हैं और इसीलिए हम जल्दी से जल्दी ट्रायल चाहते हैं। आपका सपोर्ट हमें मिलता है, इसी वजह से हमें शक्ति और बल आता है। अब ये लड़ाई सिर्फ न्याय की ही नहीं, जीने की भी है। जय भीम।
I'm audible, everything?
Yes.
All right, so now Buddha, Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat. My name is Anand Bali from Toronto, Canada, representing Ambedkarite International Coordination Society of Canada. Every Ambedkarite is a progressive radical. COVID-19 lockdown may make physical mobilization impossible, but should not suppress the freedom of expression itself. So we demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumde and 10 others human rights activists. Thank you.
Okay. Jai Bhim, everyone. I am Mahesh from Detroit, Michigan, America, representing Bahujan Federation. My demand for Indian government to immediate release human rights activists, intellectuals, professors, authors, journalists, lawyers, photographers, and many more ground level activists who are falsely arrested in the pretext of anti-national activists at Bhima Koregaon. I demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumde along with 10 other human rights activists. Thank you.
So we are amidst the corona pandemic crisis. The Supreme Court has ordered release of jail inmates and on bail or parole. But the Modi-led BJP government has chosen this period to imprison the dissenting voices of scholars and people's activists. The crackdown on well-known scholars, lawyers, civil rights activists, and people's activists, branding them as urban exiles, centering around Bhima Koregaon, is nothing but an attack on Dalits and the downtrodden in the society. The arrest of activists and scholars like Gautam Navalaka, Anand Teltumde by the National Investigation Agency over ridiculously trumped up charges in Bhima Koregaon case, that too on the day of Ambedkar Jayanti 2020, is a day of shame for the democracy in India. The fact that both of them, senior citizens above 60, are incarcerated in cramped, overcrowded jails during a pandemic that poses a threat to the lives of the elderly is especially harmful and shameful. Gautam Navalaka and Anand Teltumbde, stellar figures in India's democratic rights movement, now face indefinite incarceration under the draconian UAPA law, as 9 other human rights defenders who have already spent over a year in jail on the same charges. The failure of Supreme Court to protect constitutional liberties of the Bhima Koregaon accused, above all, its failure to prevent the arrest of Dr. Teltumbde and also Gautam Navalaka during the COVID-19 pandemic, when the arrest is really life-threatening, is reminiscent of the Apex Court surrender during the infamous emergency. The CPI-ML liberation stands in solidarity with Anand Teltumbde, Gautam Navalaka, and the Bhima Koregaon level. We demand the immediate release of all the 11 activists. We demand the arrest of the real culprits. And I think this is a major battle between the forces who fight for democracy and the fascists in the country who are led by the BJP and RSS. So CPM liberation is strongly against it. We condemn this act of this fascists in the country, and we demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and Gautam Navalaka and the Bhima Koregaon.
Jai Bhim, everyone. This is Takshak Chahande from Ambedkar International Center, America, which is headquartered at Washington, DC. I'm currently speaking from California. We are standing here today to demand justice for Dr. Anand Teltumbde and a few other. A very simple question comes in our mind, that who attacked whom in Bhima Koregaon case? And everyone knows we, the Ambedkarites, were at the receiving end. And even a small boy can answer who can reach to such a receiving end. Only the unprepared, unaware, and unplanned people could basically go to such a bad state, while the planner and the attacker attacked us, and those attackers were the non-Ambedkarite attackers. So stating Elgar conference happened at Pune and provoked the Bhima Koregaon is completely baseless, senseless, and framed by India's deeply entrenched casteist mindset people who are in power. The rise of Ambedkarite's intellectual class, which has helped awakening the masses to fight for their own rights and walk on the path led by Bodhisattva Dr. Ambedkar, scares the people of Brahminical mindset, and those belongs to BJP, Congress, and RSS. That is the reason they are trying to kill such intellectual class of Ambedkarite movement by arresting intellectuals like Dr. Anand Teltumbde, civil rights activist Gautam Navalaka, without showcasing any valid proof, yet after spending so many days or even months in the custody in such a pandemic and difficult time. हमारे समाज में बहुत बलवान, साहसी एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये काफिला अपने दम पर यहाँ तक लाया है, और हमें यकीन है कि there will be many more coming forward. So government should be aware that they cannot take us granted and kill our voice for the justice. Ambedkar International Center, America, stand in solidarity at international level with our intellectual class and demand Supreme Court of India to fast track the case and give justice to Dr. Anand and others at the earliest. It will save India's image at international level. Thank you. Jai Bhim.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Ajit here from Ambedkar Mission, Toronto, in the province of Ontario. We strongly demand Dr. Anand Teltumbde to be released immediately and another human rights activist arrested falsely. We demand to Supreme Court, Indian government, please release them immediately so our intellectual will come out and guide us. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya.
Hi, this is Jagdish Bankar from Dallas, Texas. On behalf of ABAT, Ambedkarite Buddhist Association of Texas, we condemn the arrest of Dr. Teltumbde, which is totally against the inhuman, because he has been fighting for the cause of our deprived people. And he is moving the karwa of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, which is right for every person. And on behalf of ABAT, I would like to request the government to release him immediately, because he is standing by for the minority and the Dalit people. So I sincerely request the government to release him immediately and release from all the charges that has been framed, which is totally against the conspiracy. Thank you, and Jai Bhim.
From Pune, Maharashtra. So I would like to request our current government to release Dr. Tel Tumbre immediately and remove all the charges framed up against him, and so that he can come out and again start guiding us with all the aspects from the liberty and fraternity perspective. Thank you.
Yeah, Jai Bhim, all of you. Myself, Kaviraj Satpute. I am living Hyderabad, Telangana. अभी जो भी हमारे समाज के जो लीडर है डॉक्टर तेल तुंबड़े जी और कुछ मानव हक अधिकार के लिए लड़ने वाले जो लोग हैं उनको तुरंत रिलीज करना चाहिए. ये टोटली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अगेंस्ट है. Thank you, J.B. Moore.
My name is Virender Kumar. I'm working in one of the defense PSU at Ghaziabad in India. I strongly demand government of India to release Anand ji and other those who are have been arrested by the government. And I first of all I salute to Anand ji and all our veterans who has fought for our rights. And strongly also feel that those who are the culprits should be arrested at the earliest.
Hello.
And hello, madam, are you? And the more important part is that Bhima Koregaon has got our emotional and sentimental value for us. It is a proud place for us. So this and the people are fighting. Those are fighting for our rights from the Bhima Koregaon. So they have to be, I salute, I rather hats off to all my veterans, those who have done for, they have gone to the arrested and they have, sacrificed their lives. So I strongly demand and I strongly request government and all our friends, those who are in the states and other places, please take this movement as fast as possible. And those who are in India also, because see this today, the case what we have heard in Minneapolis, yesterday for George Floyd. See, the whole country has gathered together for one case, one black. See, these other people are that they're being killed, and our people are being they're discriminated in every walks of life, and we are not able to even discuss, even not able to join together. At least this is a good move by at least I.
Namo Buddha Jai Bhim. Namo Buddha Jai Bhim. Jai Bharat. हम एसएस की तरफ से, मैं परम कनाडा से बोल रहा हूँ, वैंकूवर से, और हम अंबेडकर इंटरनेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर सोसाइटी के मेंबर हैं. और डॉक्टर अनिल थेल तुंबड़े जी जो अरेस्टेड किए हैं गवर्नमेंट ने, हम उनके साथ खड़े हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि उनको जल्दी से जल्द रिहा किया जाए, रिलीज किया जाए, क्योंकि ये जो गवर्नमेंट है ये टोटली डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड है विदाउट एनी रीजन. ये हमारे लोगों को अरेस्ट करते हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि उनको और भी हमारे लोग हैं उनको रिहा किया जाए और जो उन पे चार्ज लगे हैं वो सभी डिलीट किए जाए. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे लोगों के साथ कोऑपरेट किया जाए. ये गवर्नमेंट है ये हमारे लोगों के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बंद करे, और नहीं तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एजिटेशन करेंगे, वर्ल्ड वाइड पे हम एजिटेशन करेंगे. और हम हायर अथॉरिटी है, कोर्ट है, उससे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि ये हमारे लोगों पे जो जुल्म हो रहे हैं उसको बंद किया जाए. आप सभी साथियों का धन्यवाद जो ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. नमो बुद्धा, जय भीम, जय भारत.